Hey guys, I'm not sure if you heard. OpenAI recently released a new AI reasoning model called o3-Mini, and it literally just changed the game. By the way, don't get fooled by the word mini. This AI model is faster, smarter, and more efficient than o1-Mini, and it outperforms DeepSeek R1 and the GPT-o1 reasoning model across several key benchmarks, making this a huge opportunity for businesses. All right, so let's talk about some of the benchmarks. The o3-Mini model is 24% faster and 39% more accurate than o1-Mini. And it even outperforms DeepSeek R1 in key reasoning and STEM benchmarks, including competition math, science, software engineering, and more. The best part is the o3-Mini model costs 90% less than larger reasoning models like the o1, making advanced AI reasoning more affordable and accessible for businesses. So according to OpenAI, testers actually preferred o3-Mini over o1-Mini 56% of the time, and OpenAI observed a 39% reduction in major errors, which is actually a really big deal if you're relying on AI for accurate decision making. So I know I mentioned earlier that the o3 model is 24% faster and 39% more accurate than the o1-Mini. But here's something important to note. The API pricing for both models is actually the same. And the reason why this is such a big deal is because the o3-Mini is significantly stronger than the o1-Mini in terms of performance and speed. And to get the o3-Mini at the same price as the o1-Mini, I think is a really great deal. So what's different is that OpenAI is making o3-Mini way more accessible than previous reasoning models. And for the first time, even free ChatGPT users can access a reasoning model. You basically just need to select reason in the chat, and you can use the AI reasoning model. And then also Plus and Team users get 150 messages per day for o3-Mini, and Pro users get unlimited access. One of the biggest upgrades is AI-powered search. The o3-Mini model is the first OpenAI reasoning model that can retrieve real-time information from the web. Now keep in mind, it's still in the early prototype stage, but I do expect this to improve significantly over the next few months. So I'd recommend testing it now and learning how to use it effectively. So what's really exciting is that with search integration and o3-Mini, a lot of new capabilities get unlocked. So for example, you can use o3-Mini to do market research, and you can have it pull industry trends, competitor insights, and news, for example. You can also use it to do financial analysis and look up stock prices, economic reports, and market forecasts. You can also use search integration for customer support, where the AI retrieves updated product information, FAQs, and troubleshooting guides. Another great use case is technical support. With search integration, o3-Mini could search online for the latest AI advancements, coding documentation, and new technologies, for instance. And then I could see this also being really useful for e-commerce and sales, where the AI model pulls real-time product pricing and availability for customers. So with search integration, this means it's no more about relying only on outdated AI knowledge from the training data. Now o3-Mini can actively connect to the web and help you get more accurate and real-time information. One of o3-Mini's biggest advantages is that you can control how much reasoning effort the AI applies. This means you can optimize for speed, accuracy, or deeper analysis depending on your needs. So I mentioned earlier that free ChatGPT users can access o3-Mini by just selecting reason in the chat. Now, for paid users, you can select either o3-Mini High or o3-Mini. And keep in mind that the o3-Mini model defaults to the medium reasoning level. Also, in the API, you can select either high, medium, or low. So just to quickly explain the three different reasoning levels to you. The default in ChatGPT for o3-Mini is the medium reasoning effort. So this level balances speed and accuracy and actually performs comparable to o1 in math, coding, and science. Now for the high reasoning effort, which is only available to paid users, this is optimized for maximum accuracy, which is why it might take a little bit longer to generate a response. And for the low reasoning effort, this prioritizes speed over a deeper analysis. So this is best for like simpler tasks, like for example, customer support or quick automation. So the best part is there's no extra cost in the API for choosing high reasoning effort. You can switch between low, medium, and high effort depending on your needs without paying extra. Just keep in mind that Plus users are limited to around 50 high effort messages per week. So I also want to highlight some powerful developer features. To start with, o3-Mini supports function calling. This means developers can trigger external functions within applications. So for example, if a user asks a customer support chatbot about their order status, the o3-Mini model can call a function to fetch real-time order tracking data from the company's database and respond with the latest delivery status. o3-Mini also supports structured outputs. This lets the AI model return clean, structured data like JSON instead of plain text responses. Another key feature is developer messages. This allows developers to send system-level instructions to guide the model's behavior. This is especially useful for AI chatbots, customer support agents, and virtual assistants, ensuring responses are both consistent and controlled. And here's something that makes o3-Mini even more dynamic. It has streaming support. This means it can generate responses in real time instead of waiting until the full response is complete. Streaming support is crucial for chatbots, voice assistants, and AI agents that need to deliver instant responses to users. For example, with streaming support, an AI-powered coding tutor can answer questions in real time as the user types. If you're a developer looking to build more advanced AI-powered applications, o3-Mini's function calling, structured outputs, and real-time streaming make it a seriously powerful tool. Last but not least, let's talk about safety. OpenAI has trained o3-Mini to reason through safety policies before responding. By the way, OpenAI included a guide on prompting, which I also included in the caption of this video. Because to get the most out of o3-Mini, how you prompt it does matter. So let's quickly go over some of these guidelines. Okay, so first, you should definitely use developer messages and set system instructions to guide the o3-Mini's behavior. So for example, instead of leaving it open-ended, you can specify a role or a specific type of behavior or any other types of instructions that you would like to guide the AI on. This ensures more relevant and structured responses. Here, it says to keep prompts simple and direct. So you definitely want to avoid any unnecessary phrasing. And the more precise you are, the better the response. It also says to avoid chain of thought prompts. So unlike GPT-4o, o3-Mini works best with concise, direct queries. So instead of breaking down a math problem step by step, you can just ask the question directly, for example. So they do have more guidelines here. I'm not going to go through all of them right now, but I definitely recommend that you check out the guidelines. I included a link in the caption because I think following these prompting guidelines will help you get faster, more accurate responses from o3-Mini. At Surfn AI, we're building AI agents to help startups, SMBs, and creators automate their workflows, boost conversions, and grow faster. The o3-Mini model is a key part of this vision. We're integrating it with DeepSeek R1, GPT-4o, Claude Sonnet, and other top AI models to create smarter, more dynamic AI agents that handle customer interactions, sales automation, and business tasks. If you want to be among the first to experience this, definitely sign up for early access at Surfn AI. So now that we've covered why o3-Mini is a game changer, I'd love to hear what you think. Drop a comment below and let me know how you plan to use o3-Mini. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more AI insights. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.